WebPano 3D markups. Let's start with the text with an arrow. This is a 3D object. First, point to the location of the text, and then drag to the place where you want the arrow to point. The Properties window will automatically open. Start writing any text you want. You can change additional parameters, font size, arrowhead size, colors. You can move the object by catching the white marker in the middle of the gizmo. If you define the parameters before drawing in the creation window, the next created object will already have these properties defined, and they will be saved for each newly created object. Now try inserting a box. Drawing will be easier if you turn on the grid in the bar on the right. The vertices of the box will snap to the grid lines. Left-click the first vertex, release the button, and point to the next vertex. This will draw the base of the box. Now pull upwards to specify its height. Double-click the object to open the Properties window. Here you can change the default colors of the object. Higher up are tools for moving, rotating, scaling, and copying. To move an object, grab any of the gizmo axes. To rotate, grab the rhombus marker on the rotation axis circle. The axis of rotation is highlighted in white. To scale the object, grab the white cube on any of the axes. The object will be duplicated just by pressing the button. The copied object can be edited similarly. You can give it other parameters. Drawing a cylinder looks similar. The first click determines the center, the second click determines the radius of the circle, and then you pull up and determine the height. Now you can edit properties. If you grab the white rhombus in the middle of the gizmo, no axis is blocked, you can move the object freely. Sphere. The first click defines the center. The second click determines the radius of the sphere. Grabbing the highlighted axis limits movement to that axis only. A list of all markups can be found in the table. You can organize markups into groups. Click plus to add a new group, enter a name, choose the location of the group. By default, markups go to the public markups group. Objects can be moved between groups. With Shift key, select multiple objects, grab and move to the created group. With the eye next to the group name, you can turn off and on the visibility of the entire contents of the group. Objects can be deleted individually, or you can select multiple with Shift key and delete selected ones.